Hello, my name is Brian Vargas. When everything is good, I come talk to you. You make things arrange where I am wearing blue. You are sure breathing and I would be missing. When she on think that breeze linked to all of me darkness. You are my best friends, and I love you, and I love you. Yes, I do. There is no order on that can take your place. I feeling happy inside when I see your face. I hope you believe me because I speak sincerely. I you when when I think I need you. You are my best friends. I love you and like you. Yes, I do. I am your wish facing you. I think never like your and like find your thing when you start cringing. You are my best friend, and you love you, and you love you. Yes, I do. You are my best friends. I and I you learned and you learned. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. A. At problem did you condense in the videos? Answer. A. The lack of respect when the two of them. B. The people in the video solve chess problems is an answertive way. Answer. In some cases, you would in observe communication was lacking. C. A your life and of she conflicts in your home. Which one? Answer. I have no experience and of the problems is my house. D. Communication and assertively with answer. Answer. Communication answer with other people. A. What do you think is your most common problem with Colombian? Answer. The biggest problem is Colombian homes is the lack of communication. Workshop 1.2. Answer P. Find this appointed song. A. What words are present is a implicit in the song? Answer. Friendship, respect, and honesty. B. According to the song were most you to do were best friends. Answer. You share nor about it in difficult times. C. What do you think is the meaning of the expressions feeling blue? Answer. It can be an expression that the person is not feeling very well. D. While feeling does your best friend make you feel? Answer. Kindness, sincerity, and friendship. E. What is your friend? Best friend is any family number of yours or of their friends. Answer. My best friend is a person in a one since seen all, and as at once when we miss sight.